Hi, my name is Jimmy Sastra, and in this video I'm going to give you a short overview of Robotics Bus. Robotics Bus is what we use to communicate with the CKBot modules. On the hardware level, we use CAN bus, which is a controller area network bus, which is used in the automotive industry. We run this bus at 250 kilobits per second, and in theory we could support up to 250 modules, but we've only used tens of modules. CAN bus uses short messages, each containing a header and a payload. Each header has a 3-bit message type and an 8-bit node ID, and the payload can be up to 8 bytes. Robotics bus sits then on top of this CAN bus. So let's say we have 3 modules, all on the same CAN bus. And we also connect the host to this. Now the modules each send a heartbeat from which the host can figure out the node ID of each module. Let's say this one has a node ID of 0F, this one has 1F, and this one has 30. Once the host knows the node IDs, you can walk through a list of properties of each module. Which we call the object dictionary. Now each object dictionary entry has an index, it has a type, and it has a human-readable description string. So the host can walk through the dictionary of each module and figure out what it can do. For efficiency, Robotics Bus also provides specific messages for commonly used features which we call process messages. So the Robotics Bus protocol provides messages for starting, stopping, and resetting modules. It provides heartbeat messages, it provides messages to read and write these object dictionary entries, and it also provides process messages. The Robotics Bus software can be found in the CKBot.can module. So let's start up a cluster with 2 modules. The first thing we should see are heartbeats, once a second from each module. So we'll start up our CAN to UDP low-level debugging tool, and this will show us the raw hex content on the CAN bus. As you'll see, a heartbeat message is shown once a second. The 7 is the type for the heartbeat message, and 3C and B1 are the node IDs of each module. But with CAN to UDP, we can't do anything other than seeing the messages, so we'll start up IPython and import ckbot.can.py. The main class we use from this module is the protocol class. Protocol acts as the CAN class, but does all its work in an update method, which needs to be called periodically. Now that we called update, we should be able to see our most recent heartbeats. The interface protocol provides is completely asynchronous, meaning they don't block and return immediately. For higher level functionality, modules use the protocol node adapter class, which provides communication interface to a specific node. These include blocking methods that synchronously read or write object dictionary entries, and a generic method for generating process messages. This will be the subject of our next video tutorial, which talks about logical.py.